Assalamu alaikum everyone, I'm your teacher Ekam Shaharu and I'm back now. And previous video I have to show you that how to Node.js to Unity connection, and this part I will show you how to server to client data transfer and client to server data transfer system. So Node.js have some predefined callback function: error, message, connection, and close. So let's do it. And before I start, please subscribe my YouTube channel, and if you have any problem, so just comment and share. Okay, let's do it.
So open your app.js. So one more thing, if you don't watch the first video, so please go back and watch the first video. I think you understand, and then watch this video. Okay, so simply I call this my ws as callback function is WebSocket, then ws dot I need to on. Okay, there has event, then lesson. Okay, lesson is the callback. So then okay, and type there send. Okay, send, no send, and message, message, and then add there a callback like this. And if I get this message, any message, um, then it will be written there. Okay, so simply type there a console dot log, and then so just simply there is a client and send message. So okay, and then I need to get a parameter there. So parameter is data. Okay, and then need a parameter data, and then data and data. Okay, just data. Okay, awesome. Then back to the Unity and open your this ASG server code. Okay, and in this code section, if your server is connected, then just simply type there a okay, so type there sgresolve ws dot send, and type there uh, welcome. Okay, I have connected. Let's see, connected with this server. Okay, simply set this and back to the Unity and wait for this compiling. Okay, when compiling done, then just simply run in this run button and wait. And okay, sorry for this. So we need to start the server. So how can I start the server? Okay, simply go to the tools and command line, command section, and simply type the np node-mon app.js. Okay, let's run perfectly, and then go to back to the Unity and run this project, and voila, connected. And also you can see there the client message, send message. I have connected with this server, client to server send message system. Okay, next is I just send message server to client. Okay, simply stop and back to the server side, and then simply ws dot send message. Okay, send message. I said yes, i I have also connected with this client, with this client. So I just simply add their client and id, simply transfer their id ws dot id ws dot id. So where is this id? We need to download package. So go to the tools and command line and command section. I just okay, command install said okay, install, sorry, install, uh, shit, install npm, sorry, npm install user unique id. I think, yeah, it's work. Then we need to aggregate this here of this plugin system variable, and I said there user unique id equal to requirement user unique id, okay, id and random, okay, this is the random section. Okay, then ws.id assign this name, and this section user unique id, that's it. Okay, and then we can found any type of this unique id, simply like dot id, here is the id, okay, and this. So how can I know is client section the initialize or no? Comment there, and console.log ws. Okay, let's save this and run this nodemon, sorry, nodemon, shit, nodemon app.js. Okay, what is their error? Cannot find module random. Okay, so we need to install this module. Okay, copy and close this. Again, go to this section npm. Okay, that's not npm. Install this. Okay, okay, perfect. So then just go there, command line, and nodemon app.js. Yeah, it's perfectly work. So you can see client.id is okay. No, just console there. Okay, so I just simply there, and if I send this message, okay, message sent, this, okay, perfect. So when I send this message, so it's totally give me the ws. Okay, so where is the id? So let me find it. This is the client data. Okay, so this is my id. So okay, this is my id. Okay, and this my id is this message, and obviously first we need to first this message. Okay, let's check this. where okay, client, I have to connect to this server. Okay, perfect. To the unity and their send message. Okay, send message id. Okay, perfect. So go to the unity back, and I can't get this message from there. Okay, so how can I get this message? Start function. Okay, then call this okay, dot message on message plus equal assign get message call back. Okay, basically back to back sgsoft, that's a main message call back. Okay, main message call back. Okay, just simply no, just this, simply go there and call back, and here we go. So I get this callback system, and if I get there, type there debug.log and sender, I don't need a sender, just an event e, so e dot data and dot, okay, e dot data, just it. Go to back to the unity and run this project. Okay, we get some error. uh, Object reference not set this. Okay, uh, which object? This object. Okay, first I need to new initialize, then I call in callback assign there, then I connect. Okay, let's do it. I think it should be work. Run. Oh yeah, yes, it's work. So yes, I have also connected with this client. So this client ID is 758. Okay, and also when I go there, so client, I have connected with the server. So this is okay. So one more thing, so when a client leave this server, so server side doesn't make sense when my client go and enter. Okay, so what can I do now? Dot on, and oh sorry, WEWS, and close, CLOS close, and call back there. Okay, oh okay, and copy this data, no, ws dot id, and client left id. Okay, then open this console and also open this unity. Okay, let me okay, so just simply run. Okay, client send message and left. Okay, not response. Okay, again. Oh okay, client left id this. Okay, when I back again, okay, so wait. Okay, so this id and this id is different id. Okay,
So I will come back the next video. Okay, just keep watching. Thank you.